Looking for the best digital piano in 2026? In this video, we review the top-rated digital pianos of the year, perfect for beginners, intermediate players, and professional musicians. From realistic weighted keys and authentic sound engines to modern features like Bluetooth, recording, and portability, we compare performance, value, and sound quality to help you choose the right digital piano for your music journey. Number 3. The Yamaha P71 88 key weighted action digital piano is a reliable, great-sounding instrument that delivers an authentic piano experience at an accessible price point. Designed as an Amazon-exclusive model, it's ideal for beginners, intermediate players, and experienced musicians who need quality without the size of an acoustic piano. The fully weighted, touch-sensitive hammer action keys closely replicate the feel of a real acoustic piano, offering excellent resistance and natural response. Many longtime players praise the key action for feeling smooth and genuine rather than plasticky, making the P71 especially satisfying for daily practice. Sound quality is equally impressive, featuring 10 built-in voices, including multiple piano modes, organ, strings, harpsichord, and vibraphone. The Yamaha Grand Piano voice delivers warm resonance, strong dynamics, and a deep, full bass. Ease of use is another standout feature. The simple one-button control layout keeps distractions to a minimum, allowing players to focus entirely on performance. Dual mode lets you layer two voices, such as piano and strings, for a richer, more expressive sound. The included sustained pedal adds realism and expressive depth. With built-in speakers, adjustable volume, a metronome, duo mode, and a headphone jack for silent practice, the P71 adapts perfectly to apartments and home studios. Overall, it's a beautifully balanced digital piano that delivers Yamaha's trusted feel and sound in a compact, affordable package. Number 2. The Casio CDP-S360 Slim 88-key weighted digital piano is a versatile, space-saving instrument designed for musicians who want authentic piano feel without sacrificing portability. Featuring 88 full-size, scaled hammer action keys with simulated ivory and ebony textures, it delivers a realistic grand piano response that suits beginners and experienced players alike. One of the CDP-S360's biggest strengths is its ultra-slim, lightweight design. At just 24 pounds, it's one of the most portable digital pianos in its class, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, studios, and musicians who need a keyboard they can easily transport. The optional battery-powered operation adds even more flexibility for mobile setups and live performances. Creatively, this piano truly shines. With 700 built-in tones and 200 rhythms, players can explore everything from classical and jazz to pop and electronic styles. Songwriting tools like the 6-track recorder, duet mode, pitch bend wheel, and 128-note polyphony make it excellent for practice, lessons, and composing. The clear LCD display ensures easy navigation during sessions. Connectivity is seamless thanks to USB MIDI with no driver installation required, and compatibility with the Casio Music Space app enhances learning and customization. User reviews praise its authentic key feel, rich sound, and portability, making the CDP-S360 an outstanding digital piano for home use and performance in 2026. Number 1. The Roland RD-08 stage piano delivers legendary RD series performance in a streamlined, gig-ready design that's perfect for musicians who need professional quality without extra bulk. Featuring an 88-note weighted action PHA-4 keyboard with ivory feel, the RD-08 offers an authentic piano response that feels remarkably close to an acoustic instrument, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. At its core are Roland's acclaimed supernatural acoustic and electric piano sounds, inherited from higher-end models like the RD-2000 and RD-08. These tones are rich, dynamic, and expressive, cutting through mixes beautifully in live settings. Beyond pianos, the RD-08 is powered by the WmCorner engine, unlocking access to 3000 plus onboard sounds, including classic Roland XP80 and JV series tones, along with organs, synths, strings, and brass. Despite its compact size, the RD-08 includes a room-filling onboard stereo speaker system, ideal for rehearsals, practice, and smaller venues. Its intuitive interface allows fast navigation, layering, and splits perfect for high-pressure gigs like church performances or live bands. User reviews praise its excellent sound quality and realistic key feel, with many highlighting how versatile and inspiring it is on stage. For those who want even more, expandable features via Roland Cloud ensure the RD-08 grows with your needs. Overall, it's an outstanding, affordable stage piano built for serious gigging musicians. Thanks for watching our digital pianos review for 2026. If this video helped you find the perfect digital piano, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Check the description for updated prices and buying links. Have questions or a favorite piano we missed? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next review video.